guys, welcome back to Turner's Turn Up. In today's vlog, we're going to share some moments from our stay in Tampa, Florida. We're going to show you guys where we stayed. We're going to give you tips on how to get around, where to eat and shop. We arrived in Tampa at about 8, so we had a late flight this evening, and I was excited to see this 21-foot sculpture in the airport. Y'all, I am an art fanatic, and I'd already heard about this sculpture, the flamingo, and it is absolutely beautiful. So if you like flamingos, it is a sight to see. And if you have seen the flamingo, I want you to leave a flamingo down in the comment section and share your experience with seeing Phoebe. Phoebe is her name, so I did do some research, and yeah, I just enjoyed it. I spent some time just marveling at this beautiful sculpture here, located in the Tampa International Airport. Hey guys, we're here in Tampa, Florida. We have a room at the Homewood Suites, and of course, it's just like the name says, it's a suite. So Homewood is always good for extended stays and things like that. It was just our choice because this vacation is like a last minute vacation as well. 2024 has been kind of rolling together for us, so our vacation has been kind of sporadic, but we have found the time to travel because travel gives us life. So we just want to take you guys and share this room here at the Homewood Suite. The airport location, I think it's West Airport location. I will leave a link down below to or at least the address. I'll try to include that, so exactly where this hotel is. Now let me just say, this is our second room. Our first room smelled a little funny, and that's one of the things that I always say about the Homewood type of hotels. You know, they're lived in, so you just never know if it's something someone has done, if they had a pet, how clean they were. So I'm always cautious when booking these types of hotels. However, this was like I say, last minute, and we were just kind of getting in where we fit in, and we knew it'll have a lot of the amenities that are now important to us, like this refrigerator. You have a full freezer here, full refrigerator, microwave, a stove, dishwasher, the whole nine, coffee maker and all. And there's also coffee in the lobby. So of course that won't be your only recourse. If you love coffee like me, you can always go to the coffee and coffee machine, or go to the lobby and get your coffee fixed that way. Okay, also this is the living room area. This is our second room. The first room, but this is much better, much better. So it was a funny smell in that first room, and that was room 422. I just didn't like how it smelled. She was able to change us out, and this one is fresher. So we have our full vision on a nice armoire. You have a dining table over here, an additional table, a desk area with charging stations. That's always nice. Nice art on the wall, and really high ceilings with ceiling lights. Now, a lot of hotel rooms just do not have good lights, so this is a perk that'll help when getting ready. Hey guys, if you find any part of this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button for more vacation adventures and reviews. And don't forget to hit that like button and turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified of our next vacation adventure. Okay, we have the vanity and shower is separate. So on this side, this is your toilet. I love it. This is so convenient when getting ready in the morning. So Nick and I don't have to fight over one room. He can be at the sink and I can be in here showering or doing whatever I need to do in this area, and vice versa. So you have your 0% products, which is nice. The shower is nice, no tub shower. That's good enough for us and what we're doing for this trip. And this is the sink location. This is the outside recreation area, and it's also very nice. There's a pool there, there's a basketball court, and they even have an outdoor kitchen. The pool is a nice size. I didn't go closely because there was people in there, so I don't like to video when people are swimming and things like that. I didn't want to disturb their time, but I will say it's a nice size. As you can see in that back parking lot, this is sort of like a hotel corridor, but this is the way we walked to get to our first restaurant that evening. We got in kind of late. We were jet lagged because the flight was kind of rough. There was rain or whatever. And y'all, we didn't do anything. They told us about the World of Beers that's over. It's right through the parking lot. You can walk to get there. We just wanted to grab a quick bite. I didn't order much. I ordered a chicken sandwich and fries, and Nick ordered the burger. It was okay. It was good it was almost closing time, but they did serve us, so that was nice and convenient.
But I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And don't you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And don't you what you want. Oh, what it got this.
The World of Beers was pretty good and it's very convenient. So we did not get breakfast that next morning. We did sleep in, but we caught a lift across the street to the International Plaza and Bay Street shopping mall. And that is where we had dinner at the Cheesecake Factory. The International Plaza and Bay Street shopping mall is across the street. However, you will have to cross a busy intersection. There are sidewalks there. We just decided to take a lift on this day because it was so hot outside, but you could very well walk. I just didn't want to be sweaty for dinner. After dinner, we decided to just tour and walk around it's called the International Plaza and Bay Street Mall. Now, the description has it listed as a high-end shopping center, but there were a lot of just mid-priced retail there as well. There was a Dillard's there. I went into Dillard's, Clark's, Coach. Yes, there is some high-end stuff there, but there was a lot of mid-range shopping as well as so many different restaurants all in this one mall. We chose Cheesecake Factory because that's just something we do when we don't know a whole lot about an area. And you know how big that menu is. Y'all know what it is. You can always find something you want at the Cheesecake Factory, but for the most part, there's like we found so many different other restaurants there as we were walking around and getting a little shopping in. So I think for me, this was like a gem to find this mall. It wasn't on my radar. Prior to coming to Tampa, we kind of felt like we wanted to stay in the Ybor City area since that's one of the more popular areas to stay in. But I just decided not. We knew that we had done a lot and we wanted to get some rest in before our next leg of this trip. So we just decided to stay near the airport. We were able to use the shuttle from the hotel, so that was very convenient because, as I mentioned, this was a late flight. And we just Lyft and Ubered to just to kind of wrap up and get things that we needed for the trip, but we didn't have to do a lot of that, and it wasn't expensive at all. The Lyft to this location was just under $7. We could have walked, but it was a lot of traffic and it was hot, so we just decided not to.
Why there's a school bus parked in front of Cheesecake Factory.
They are all in awe of this school bus over
in the
here.
valet parking area in Tampa. Like, there's a school bus.
This is Tampa on a Saturday night. What is it? 8, almost 9 o'clock, and there's a school bus, and everybody's just kind of wondering what's happening.
With about 60 kids who all look the same.
Yeah, all these little girls. We were laughing because we just watched that. What was that documentary that we watched on HBO Max? I don't know. It was one of those documentaries about those girls in this fashion.
Yeah.
And it's just so funny how we see all these little girls and they basically have the same outfit on and
hair almost the same way, same outfits on, everything.
We're Gen Xers and we're like, where's the individuality? It's gone. It is gone.
People have that notion they spend too much time wanting to be like each other.
Yes.
Yeah. No self-awareness.
But they all look alike. That is so weird.
No
but anyway, and we probably did it too. We're just old people now, so we see things and it's just we thought that was so funny.
I ain't do it. And I ain't old either. I'm mature. Whatever.
Gen X in the house.
Whatever. I'm mature.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast. Let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad. Snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle.
Thank you guys for watching. If you have any further questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.